Hi, I'm calling for an IT guy. I'm looking to get my girlfriend's cell phone fixed. Alright, see you then. Bye. Stop it. Hey.
Hi.
Adam. If you just follow me down here. Stop it. Alright, if you just want to take a seat out.
Okay. Start.
So, this is the phone I was hoping you could fix. I just can't get it to turn on anymore.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yep. And so if you have any questions, just ask me.
Okay.
And I just gotta take this call, but I'll be back. I'll be back to check on you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's see what we have here.
Adam, I just came down to... What the hell are you doing?
Oh, I thought I'd take a break from the phone.
No, I'm paying you to work. You get back to work.
Mortal Kombat and...
No, go back to work.
Okay, it'll be done in a jiffy.
Yeah.
It'll be done. So,
You almost done?
it'll be done soon.
Now I'm just gonna sit here and make sure you get work done.
Oh, okay, okay.
Do you know what's wrong with the phone at all yet?
So far it's just the firmware. I have to take an update. It's not working, so I don't know what's happening.
Okay. Well, I hate to do this, but I have to leave because I have to get dinner ready. But I will be back.
Okay. Guys. So we gotta play a clean game. Okay, here's the flop. So far I got flush. Okay.
Adam, what are you doing?
I thought I'd take another.
No, get back to work. Are you guys betting my phone?
But it'll be.
No, just get back to work. Get your friends out of here and go back to work.
Okay.
Stop it. Adam? Adam? What the hell? Couldn't fix it. Goodbye. Love, Adam. Mother!
Rep it everywhere I go. Everybody from the cold. This is where we callin' home. Rep it everywhere I go. Million people at your door. This is where we callin' home.
Hey guys, I'm Matthew. I played Adam.
I'm Andrew. I played the angry customer.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate and comment.
Leave any comments if you want to see more, and please subscribe to Bucket of Lulz.